Welcome class to our Logic Designs YouTube channel. Today we will see the introduction of SolidWorks part 2. In this topic we will cover working area, tool palettes, different toolbars and how to set units in SolidWorks. So let's get started our today's topic. Once we open a SolidWorks new part file, a document appears or split into two panels. The right is the graphics window where your model or drawing appears. You can create and manipulate the document in the graphics window. The left panel contains the following SolidWorks document windows. That means Feature Manager Design Tree, Property Manager and Configuration Manager. First is Title Bar. In Title Bar, displays the name of active document. The small note for you, if you haven't saved any changes to a document, you will see a star symbol after the document name. For example, you can see here in your computer screen or mobile screen. Now, next in upper right corner, there is lots of option is present. First is Search SolidWorks Help, that means search window. Then second is Login to SolidWorks, that means the SolidWorks account. Then next is Help. Okay. Next is Minimize button. This Minimize button is for software minimization. Okay. Next, Restore button and then Close button. Okay. Now next is Ribbon Tool Palette. In Ribbon Tool Palette, first is Features, then Sketch, then Markup, then Evaluate, then Embedded Dimension, then SolidWorks Add-ins, Embedded, SolidWorks Cam, TBM, and last one SolidWorks Inspection. Now first is Sketch option. You can see here in a Sketch option the drawing tool palettes are present. Now first is Sketch, then Smart Dimensions, then Line, then Circle, then Spline, then Plane, Rectangle, Center Point Arc, Ellipse, Text, then Straight Slot, then Polygon, then Sketch Fillet, then Point, then Trim Entities, Convert Entities, then Offset Entities, Offset on Circle Entities, Linear Pattern, Move Entities, Display and Delete Relations, Repair Sketch, Quick Snap, Rapid Sketch, Instant 2D, and Shaded Sketch Counters. These are sketch options. Now in Features, you can see here Extrude, okay, then Revolve, then Swept, Loft, Boundary Boss, Extrude Cut, Hole Wizard, Revolve Cut, Swept Cut, Lofted Cut, Boundary Cut, Fillet, Linear Pattern, Circular Pattern, Rip, Draft, Shell, Wrap, Intersect, Mirror, Reference Geometry, in Reference Geometry, Plane, Axis Coordinate System, Point, Curves, and Instant 3D. Next is Markup option. In Markup option, you can create markups in 3D modeling, assembly, and drawing. Next is Evaluate option. In Evaluate option, you can evaluate design study, mass properties of any 3D component, then measurement of 3D component. Then there are lots of options are present in Evaluate. You can see here in your computer screen. We will discuss these options later on in deep manner one by one. Okay. Now next is Embedded Dimension, then SolidWorks Add-ins. These SolidWorks Add-ins comes with installation of SolidWorks software. You can see here SolidWorks Inspection, SolidWorks Routing, SolidWorks Motion, Photo View, CamWorks, CircuitWorks, SolidWorks Toolbox are present. Next is View Toolbar. In View toolbar features a series of commonly used command buttons that allows you zoom, rotate, and view the part of different orientation. You can see here the lots of options are present in View toolbar. You can see here in your computer screen the options name. You can easily set these options one by one. Now next is click to title left, click to right, then minimize, then restore, and then close button for your particular part or object. Next is Feature Manager Design Tree. In Feature Manager Design Tree, you can access editing and selection option from your live or active document. In Feature Manager Design Tree, the history, sensor, annotation, material, front plane, top plane, right plane, and origin are options are present. Now next is properties. Next is configuration. You can see here the part configuration is present. Next is dim expert, then design manager. You can select here appearance for your part, then SolidWorks cam. Okay, SolidWorks tools. Lower left corner, the status bar is present. It indicates whether it is a drawing, part, or assembly that you are editing. Okay, you can see here model, 3D views, motion study is present. Now next is our UCS or trimetric. Now next is SolidWorks resources, design library, file explorer, view palettes, appearance, then custom properties, 3D experience, and SolidWorks forum. Okay, and you can see here graphics performance of your computer or SolidWorks. Okay, now next units you can say here MMGS, CGS, MKS, and IPS. The units are present. I am selecting here MMGS as per industry standard. Okay, that's it, class. I hope you are now familiar with SolidWorks software. See you in the next video. If you like our today's tutorial, then like, share, and subscribe our Logic Designs YouTube channel for latest updated SolidWorks videos and tips and tricks in AutoCAD and SolidWorks. Tune for next video.